channel. If you're new, my name is Kamani, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey boy, how you doing? How your mama, how your cousin them? In today's video, I got a little free time from the kids. So they're in the living room eating breakfast. I got my breakfast in here, you know what I'm saying? And I got this little bow in my hair. It's one of theirs, but it don't kind of ignore it. You can't really, but just ignore it. So my phone came today. I ordered the iPhone 11, but I did want to come on here and do an unboxing real quick because just took it out the plastic, and it's I wanted this color because I needed a phone, and it's really pretty. I was gonna get the green one, but I decided to get the purple one. So you know what I'm saying, So I'm just gonna do an unboxing. So when I first take it out of the little thing, it just looks like this. And then everyone knows, of course, how to set up an iPhone. I just popped it out like this, and it does have like the instructions. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. Okay, it has the instructions on here. And then, of course, y'all know it has the USB-C lightning cable, and it does not come with a charging block. So a few people were wondering, like, hey, if I get the iPhone 12, is it going to come with a charging block? Or is it going to come with the charger? So it does come with the charger. It comes with the charger cord, not the charger plug. So if you have a USB-C charger plug, like for your other iPhone 11, or if you have one at all, you can use a USB-C port for that. If you don't, then they usually sell them on Facebook Market for about $10, $15, or you could go and get one from Apple itself. It might be a little bit more pricey, or you can also get one from like AliExpress, Amazon, stuff like that. So it does come with the cord, and it does not come with headphones. So the box is a little smaller than, a lot smaller actually, than the regular box, like in width, because you know you had the bottom portion back here with the charger, the headphones, and all that extra stuff. But now it's just a slim little box. So the satisfying moment of glory is to peel this off. So I'm gonna let you guys see me peeling this off. So satisfying. Oh, if y'all can hear that, Paisley's crying. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the phone on. Hopefully they left me a little charge. Yep, they left me a little charge. Okay. I did get a phone through T-Mobile, so this is gonna be that. And I also ordered me a case as well for this, so I don't drop it. But I'm just going to, of course, power it on as normal, and I'm going to set it up, and I'll show you guys this. Well, I don't really have to show you the setup, you know what I'm saying, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up, and I'll be back and I'll show you what's on my phone. Oof. Okay guys, I'm back, and the phone has transferred all my data, and it's loading up right now. So it's just loading. The phone is just loading up right here, and I'm gonna just wait until it's done and then show you what's on my iPhone. Okay guys, so I did take a little time and do my little wallpaper or whatever. It took me about maybe 30-45 minutes to do it. So I am going to show you guys what's on my iPhone, and I'm going to screen record so I can show you guys everything. So it'll be probably on this side of the screen. So let me go ahead and screen record, and I'll show you guys everything. All right, so this is going to be my screensaver. So whenever I lock my phone, this is how it looks. And once I open my phone, I have, of course, the date at the top in purple, and I did purple aesthetics because, of course, the phone is purple, and it just, oh sorry, it looked real good to me. So I just wanted to do that. And then I also do have a, oh, okay, sorry, I also do have a accessibility feature, like the tap feature, where you can tap your phone a certain amount of times in the back and it'll lock. I put that on there. And then I also have the main social medias that I use up here in the corner, and then I have my reminders, and it says love yourself first, to be the best version of you, drink more water, your royalty originated from birth. So that's what the last one says. And then it's another quote at the bottom, and it just says do what you love. And then I have the other socials that I use. And if I go over, there's just the time, there's a battery widget, and then another quote, you're stronger than the struggles you face. And then another one says, you're like really pretty. No, just playing. But that one says that. And then I also have a picture of my girls. Of course, Paisley is older because she's walking around terrorizing the place now. But in this photo, this was the only photo I could find of them together, other than like photos where her eyes were messed up or she walked away from the picture. So I just chose that one. And then I got some money, because you know where the money reside.
What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Heard. And then I got some, I got a flaming or smoking flower, a smoking rose. I don't know, that just symbolized something to me, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I don't know, it looked pretty good. And then it is just my little home screen there. So that is what my phone looks like. If you guys want another video related to like how to do things on your phone, or how I did my little setup here, I did use Widgetsmith, and Pinterest to get some ideas. If you guys want to know how to do that, of course there's all sorts of tutorials on there, but if you want me personally to do one, I'll definitely do one for you guys. But that is the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you girls so much for watching this entire video of me unboxing my phone and showing you guys what's on my phone. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Leave me a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye girl.